AI scripting. Welcome to our demonstration of the latest AI-powered enhancements in Copilot. With intelligent Python scripting now specifically trained for CAD design, we've introduced 3 major upgrades that bring powerful new capabilities to your workflow. First, you now have access to an AI model trained on over 400 Python CAD examples. This gives you a helpful assistant that can guide you through writing scripts and help you understand how to create custom CAD geometry using code. Second, we've added a powerful AI agent that can execute Python scripts and turn them into accurate 3D models. You simply provide the instructions, and it generates precise CAD data based on your input. Third, there's a new object type that lets you edit script parameters directly in the interface. This means you can quickly adjust values and instantly see how they affect your design, allowing for fast exploration of different ideas. Let's walk through how these tools work together in a real-world example. We'll add a custom thread to a cylinder using AI-generated scripting. To start, we'll ask Copilot to generate a sample script by typing a simple request. Provide a Python script to create an external ISO standard thread and add it to a cylinder. The AI responds with the correct code for the task. You can then take that response, paste it back as input, and ask the AI to refine or modify it further. This allows for interactive development of your script, making it easier to get exactly what you need. Once the part is created, you can modify it by adjusting key parameters like thread pitch, diameter, and length. Each change updates the model automatically, so you can explore variations without rewriting the entire script. Thank you for watching this demonstration of the new AI scripting tools. These features open up exciting possibilities for creating and modifying CAD models using natural language and Python scripting. Want to learn more about Copilot and our smart CAD tools? Visit our website anytime. We're here to help.